Two project management giants, Zoho Projects and aha.io, go head-to-head today. Which one actually gets the job done? On one side, you've got Zoho Projects feature-packed and wallet-friendly. On the other, aha.io geared for product teams craving structured innovation. We're testing them on the things that matter most: ease of use, features, integrations, pricing, and real collaboration. Forget the flashy terms and overhyped claims. We'll break down how they perform where it counts. Each area earns points, so by the end you'll have a clear scorecard showing the true winner. And trust me, the results just might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we race ahead, let's get a lay of the land. Here's the mind map of what we'll be looking at: price, features and road mapping, integrations, ease of use, mobile and accessibility, and of course, support and community. Cool? Cool. Let's get into it. So first off, price. This is actually a huge deal, and Zoho Projects basically runs away with it. We're talking super transparent pricing, no wild surprises, and things start at like $5 per user per month. No minimums. It's made for small teams and growing businesses. Now, well, their feature set is huge, but starting at $59 per user, that's a commitment. For small teams, that's honestly a pretty tough pill to swallow. If you're on a budget, Zoho's the obvious choice, but advanced features, you're going to pay extra for both. Alright, next up, features and road mapping. This is where aha.io really flexes. Like, if your life revolves around product roadmaps, strategy, planning, you're probably already nodding your head. It's got industry-leading tools for all that. Workflow automations, idea management, super slick customizations. Zoho's got solid Gantt charts, time tracking, issue management. It's practical and hands-on. More for pure project execution. But roadmaps, you're just not getting that aha level magic. So if road mapping is your jam, aha.io has a big edge here. Let's talk integrations. So Zoho Projects does play pretty well with others. Slack, Zapier, Google Apps, the usual suspects. There's even an API if you're feeling extra nerdy. But with some business apps, you might have to get your hands dirty with manual setup. Now, aha.io, it feels like if it's a tool for teams, aha probably integrates with it. Jira, GitHub, DevOps, Slack, all that. It's crazy comprehensive. But honestly, getting everything connected at scale, that can get complicated real fast. Still, if you need deep integration, aha's kind of the winner. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Zoho Projects actually launched all the way back in 2006? Meanwhile, aha only started in 2013, and it was built specifically for product teams. Kinda sets the stage for what each tool really cares about. Moving on to ease of use. You know what? Sometimes you just want something that, makes sense right out of the box. That's Zoho Projects. Seriously, with its interface, the learning curve is low and onboarding is fast. The only knock? The design's a bit vanilla, but that's fixable with time. aha.io looks super modern, is crazy customizable, but if you're new, expect a bit of a curve and maybe a couple of, wait, where's that again? Moments. For teams who want to just get going, Zoho is the smoother entry. Oh, mobile and accessibility. If you care about getting stuff done from your phone or, on the train, Zoho Projects nails it. There are dedicated apps for both iOS and Android, plus you get offline access. It's surprisingly robust, even though, the apps aren't as full-featured as the web version. aha.io, meanwhile, is definitely trying. But mobile is kind of an afterthought. There's a mobile web and some partial app support, but let's be real, it's not the same experience. Zoho wins this one. Wrapping up with support and community. Honestly, both companies do a pretty solid job here. Zoho gives you email, chat, a big knowledge base, and even user forums. Top priority support only comes if you pay more, which is pretty standard. aha.io, there's a massive help center and you get priority support no matter what tier you're on, which is actually pretty awesome. The only catch is true phone support is gated behind enterprise plans, so it kind of evens out. Alright, looking at the big picture, let's pull up that radar chart. It's immediately obvious, Zoho crushes it on price, ease of use, and mobile. But aha.io? It's taking the win when it comes to integrations and features, especially for road mapping. So here's the bottom line. If you're a business focused on keeping costs low and just want a solid project management tool for day-to-day stuff, Zoho Projects is a clear winner. But if you're leading a product team and live for strategy, ideas, and next-level roadmaps, aha.io is honestly in a league of its own. Horses for courses, If this comparison was valuable and you want more straight-up, no-fluff tech reviews, subscribe for more head-to-head tech insights. See you in the next one.